How to set up new company in Zoho Books. Starting fresh in Zoho Books, let's set up your new company step by step. So first, log into Zoho Books. From the dashboard, go ahead and click on this Create Organization button. So if you're new, you'd be able to get redirected into the section where you can actually set up your organization. So go ahead and fill in your company details, name, address, country, and base currency. These details will appear on invoices and reports. Now make sure to set up your tax preferences like VAT or GST. Enter your tax registration number to stay compliant. Now invite your team by adding users. So to be able to invite your team, go ahead and invite your team by adding users, assign roles like admin, accountant, or sales to control access. Connect payment gateways such as PayPal or Stripe so customers can pay invoices online. Upload your company logo and customize invoice templates to match your brand. And that is how to set up a new company in Zoho Books.